Hey Austin, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I apologize for the delay in getting this video over to you. This is just a big project. I want to make sure I was able to get all the information together before getting you guys some prices for the different services you were looking for. So first off, I will be accompanying a breakdown for all the different prices as far as a quote for the two sites. But I just wanted to go over real quick what I've seen with the sites and definitely the improvements that we need to make. As you mentioned, we definitely want to update these sites and bring them into the 21st century. So here we go. So first off, looking at this site, first thing I'm noticing is the lack of content. I know we're definitely going for a look on these where it's very sleek. You really want to, entice people to be purchasing the tile from you guys. But content's really going to help you guys not only with making the site look a little better, because people do like to be able to scroll through a site. But it's also going to really help you guys out with your rankings and the SEO side of it as well. So my recommendation would be anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage, and really making sure that we're optimizing that content for the different search terms you guys want to be found for as well. But there's definitely some ways we could do that to make sure the site still looks very sleek, and really add to this homepage to where you're not just pulling it up and there's nowhere to go to. The next thing is for you guys is you really need to make sure you have these click to call buttons set up. So you actually have your phone number listed twice on this site on the home page, but there's no click to calls. This is something that comes pretty standard with all of my sites. People were really optimizing these sites out for mobile search. And so for people to be able to click to call from their mobile devices is definitely going to help you guys out with your conversions as well. Phone number there again also. So that's definitely something we want to do. As far as pictures, the ones you have on here currently are a little grainy, but there's a lot we could do with that. I mean, we could re-optimize photos to make sure that we're, making sure these look good. But there's, basic stuff with the site. Another thing I did notice, it's not currently secure, so we will want to get that SSL certificate for the site. But I mean, this is a WordPress site, so there's a lot of customization stuff we can do for this. If you guys have any ideas of what you're really looking for, we can pretty much duplicate anything you're wanting or create something on our own as well. That's not a problem if you guys have stuff in mind. But that's kind of what we'll be looking at for the site. Looking at the back end of the site, I know you said you had some SEO, and I just pulled it up really quick and just wanted to show this to you. So Biaggio tile. So this is a tool I use called, this is actually tile import. So this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. What this tool allows me to do is kind of see what's going on at the back end of the site. You said you do have someone doing SEO for you, so I'm assuming you're kind of familiar with backlinks and what that all looks like. But pretty much the internet's built on backlinks, and it's one business linking itself to another business, one website linking itself to another website. And what this tool allows me to do is see how many backlinks you guys currently have, how many referring domains you're getting those backlinks from, so how many different websites, how many keywords you're currently being found for. So you guys are currently for Biaggio tile. I'm sorry if I'm not saying that right. You guys are currently getting pulled up for 28 different keywords, and you're getting organic traffic, about 18 searches a month coming to your site. It does show that you have had some SEO, happening since, January of, we hit January 27th of 20, you're at 27 referring domains. So that's the number of sites you're getting backlinks from. So you have been on a little bit of an incline, but definitely there's some work you guys could do for the SEO side of it as well. That would really help you guys out. And that content and the stuff we do on the site is going to be the first step in really getting a lot more traffic to this site. Looking at your other website, you do have a lot more on this homepage than you did on the other one. One thing I did notice, so you guys have your 360 photo down here. These are great for like your Google My Business page, but having them on the website, they're kind of a pain in the butt, just because as people are scrolling down, you hit this and you can't really get off of it. So it kind of throws everybody off a little. So I would recommend taking this off and just saving that for your Google My Business page. The maps here, this is awesome. But this is just, I would save this for like a Google My Business, to put in that 3-pack, and that'll really help you guys out. As far as for this page, definitely there's some updates we could do to this as well. Really streamline this and make it look nice and sleek. And then, obviously incorporating in that store with this as well. To where you guys are able to get those products on there and really showcase those to potential customers. This site overall, I mean, you have the secure connection, so that's fantastic. Looking at the back end of this site, So you guys are currently, 162 backlinks from 52 referring domains. You guys are getting found for 93 keywords, and you're getting 73 people a month to this site. So you are doing a little better on the SEO side. Referring domains. So it looks like you've been doing pretty good on SEO for this year. You started out at 44 at the beginning of the year, and you're up to 52. So you've been getting some referring domains here and there. But there's definitely some room for improvement on that as well. And again, a big part of that, Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors for websites. And as you're getting these sites built out, it's really important to keep those in mind, just because there's so many things we can influence as far as content. It will really help you guys out with your overall rankings. So that's the kind of stuff we keep in mind as we're building out these sites. I will get an itemized breakdown over to you guys, really showcasing what we can do and how much the exact costs are going to be. I'll also send over some examples along with this as well as far as our past work. So if you guys have any questions, definitely reach out. I look forward to talking to you guys more. Thank you.